Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into something that's essential for every household: the Ziploc sandwich and snack bags. If you're looking for the best Ziploc sandwich bags out there, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Ziploc is a trusted name when it comes to food storage, and these sandwich and snack bags are no exception. They come in a convenient pack of 280, perfect for storing sandwiches, snacks, and even non-food items like craft supplies. What sets these bags apart is the grip and seal technology. Each bag features an extended tab and an easy grip texture, making them incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're packing lunches for your kids or storing snacks for a road trip, these bags make it easy to seal and protect your food. They're made of BPA-free plastic, which means you can use them with confidence. Plus, they're reusable when used as directed, which not only saves money but also reduces waste, a win-win for both your wallet and the environment. These bags are ideal for a variety of uses. From packing sandwiches and pizza slices to keeping fruits and veggies fresh, they've got you covered. The durable material ensures that your food stays fresh and protected, whether you're at home, school, or on the go. One of the standout benefits is their versatility. Not only do they excel in storing food, but they're also great for organizing small items around the house or even on-the-go essentials like toiletries or electronics when traveling. Now, you might be wondering how these stack up against other options on the market. Ziploc's reputation for quality and reliability shines through, especially when compared to other brands. The ease of use and secure sealing of these bags make them a top choice among consumers. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best Ziploc sandwich bags that combine ease of use, durability, and value for money, look no further than the Ziploc sandwich and snack bags. Whether you're packing lunches, organizing your pantry, or storing odds and ends, these bags are a must-have. That wraps up our review today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.